Viewers, wish you a very good day. You are watching this video, and in this video we will show you a very high power hot air gun, which is mainly used for heat shrinking application and other application where high power and high volume of hot air is required. This is model is IE885, which is sold by India Enterprises. So you will get this hot air iron in this packing, as you can see on your screen. So let's open this box and see what is inside this box. See, we can see this is the main hot air gun. You can see the wattage is also written on the body of this hot air iron. It is 2300 watt soldering iron. It is operated on main 230 volt AC power supply. Model is also written on the other side. Yes, and so one extra hot air nozzle is supplied along with this hot air iron, and the operating manual printed in English is also provided along with this supply. So that's all we get in this box. So in the next step we will show you how this uh, hot air gun is used. So let's start. See, first of all we need to just one extra nozzle is supplied along with this hot air gun. So few slots are marked on this nozzle, so we need to align these slots on the grooves on the heating element so that it can be properly fixed to the hot air gun. So similarly it can be detached from the hot air gun. This nozzle is very useful for shrinking application and other application as well. So next is this cord. See, this very lengthy type cord is supplied, so which can be connected to the external power source, 230 volt AC recommended power source for this hot air gun. Next is the display. We will move to the display. See, as this gun is microcontroller based, so digital display is provided on top of it, and micro switches like up and down are also provided to increase or decrease the temperature. See, there are three different settings provided on this hot air gun: 0, 1, 2 and 3. 0 denotes this off mode. When it is switched to first position first, then only cold air will flow and temperature will be ambient. We can see temperature is less than 40 degree. The temperature is decreasing in fact, so slowly it will attain the ambient temperature. The temperature range of this hot air gun is 50 degrees centigrade to 600 degrees centigrade, which can be adjusted with the help of this up and down button. So we can see that it has attained the ambient temperature at position 1. Next we will move to the position 2. Position 2, the hot air flow will be 200 liter per minute, and the temperature we can set according to our choice. We suppose if we want to set temperature of 200 degrees centigrade, then it will immediately achieve the set temperature. So we can see that it has immediately achieved 200 degrees centigrade temperature, and the hot air volume which is flown outside the nozzle is 200 liter per minute. Next setting is the third step. Next we will switch to the third step. Now in this step the desired temperature can be set like 400 degree or 500 degree or 600 degree according to our choice, and the maximum hot air flow will be 400 liter per minute in this setting. See, we can see that suppose if we want to set 350 degree, then immediately it will achieve the set temperature of 350 degree, and the maximum hot air flow will be blown through this nozzle, which is 400 liter per minute. So it's a very high power hot air gun which is used for heat shrinking application and other application as well, for curing and baking or drying the objects, which we have explained to you earlier. So we recommend you to buy from India Enterprises, because after sales service is also provided for this hot air gun, and we keep necessary stock of each and every spare in our inventory. You have great idea about this hot air gun, so you have liked this video, and it will help you to buy this product from us. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.